So now I want to talk a little bit about recent research. Not all of it recent, and mostly here, but not all of it here. But it's kind of woven together in a more or less by topic and chronology, and it gives you an idea of the kinds of things we've been doing here in this field, and sort of where the elements of this course came from. Because this course is really a course on the fundamentals that fed into this research, and that if you know all the stuff we're talking about in this class, you're ready to do any of these kinds of projects. And so this is from a master class I gave at the Audio Engineering Society not too long ago. And so here are the topics we have. Start with voice, because you can argue that the very first digital synthesizer was a voice synthesizer, which is kind of amazing because voice is probably the hardest case. When it comes to musical instruments, there's nothing more exotic and refined and infinitely complex, not only in source but in perception, than the human voice, right? I mean, because we communicate that way. So it's just so full of rich detail. It's just amazing that we would start there. You think we would have started with just strings. And we got around to strings pretty well. Plucked strings, I would say, are the easiest synthesis problem, because the string physics are well understood. It's just an understood problem and relatively simple system. We also have woodwinds. Woodwinds are significantly more complex because of the complexity of the embouchure and the air behavior. You have laminar flow, you have turbulence, and so on.